Hey YouTubers, I've got a little Dacia Duster in today. It's a 2018 and it's a diesel variety. I believe it's a 1.5. It's got the Nissan engine in it. Now I've just had a little service, oil filter, air filter change and pollen filter. But I normally just do the service reset on my scan tool. But for those of you who don't have it, or have a scan tool capable of doing it, I'll show you how to do it manually. Before I do that, I'll just show you the locations of the oil filter and air filter. So the air filter lives in here, and it's just two tabs. Tab here and a corresponding tab the other side. Press them in and pull that out. Now the oil filter lives down here under the pipe work. You can just see it in there. Get it that right. This is a spin-on type on these. There you go, see it just down there. So I normally take off this pipe, you pull it out from this end, and there's two little tabs, one here and one underneath. And that whole pipe comes away. And there's just a couple of little clips on that pipe work there. So it's pretty straightforward to do. And now for the reset, get rid of my torch. Yeah, I normally, well, I do use this generally, but I've done it already on this, but then I thought, you know what, a lot of people don't have this kind of stuff to do it. This is in Spanish, so I'll have to work it through. So you just put the ignition on, you don't need to put or start the engine or anything, and then you have your little buttons. Look, let's zoom out a little bit. Your up down buttons there. Zoom back in its head. So you just scroll down, pneumatics, and it's got, on this one being Spanish, autonomia, oh gosh, autonomia, the revision, right? So when you get to that, or service schedule I think it is in English, this button here, you press and hold it. And now you see it's already been reset at 20,000 kilometers or 12 months. Keep holding it and it's going to flash, flash, let go of the button, press the button again, and that's you changed. And you can just scroll through. Hold the button, do it again. Ignition off, ignition on. There we go. Just scroll through it all now. It's as simple as that. It's only a short video, but hopefully it will help some people out. So it was a really short video, just on, you know, basic where your air filter and oil filter is, and how to reset your service indicator. Really easy, straightforward job. Well, thanks for watching that, and if you like what I'm doing, please subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell to get notified of new videos as and when they come up, and please leave your comments and questions in the box below. Thanks for watching.